Okay, today we're gonna be showing my friends my new car, but it wouldn't be a surprise if we do it normally. So I'm gonna surprise them. You'll see.
Wow, this is yours? Oh my god.
Dude, shawty.
Oh, you got the wig? Hey, that's tough, boy.
Nah, I'm saying that wasn't. He's dead. Hey, look at that.
Oh.
Look what you whipping, bro. Oh, this shit, no, that's ass.
Hey,
Yo,
that's
get
nice.
up.
Ooh, that's tough. You know that's tough?
Like, you know what? It's on. How do you like the car?
It's a really nice car. I just need to see her driving first, so yeah.
That was a shit ass reaction. You're supposed to be cooler.
Oh my god.
How's the car?
It's good. It's nice and
How's it
clean.
smell? You like the smell?
Smells good. It smells awesome.
Like cigarettes. Cigarettes.
How about this?
You actually ran. No, restart.
Remember the guy from Remember the Titans, the fat guy?
Is that the joke?
And then Sunshine.
No, I'm not getting it.
He's dead.
RC. Our guy's named RC. Cool.
I named Marcus Cool.
Oh yeah?
It was funny when I did it. Right? I don't need it. Come on, man. Don't be joke jacking out here, bro. Whoa. Or no, you know, he's been in quarantine and he really came back dripping, you know?
I mean, yeah.
Is that the joke?
Shit.
So bad.
It's not as easy when you're up there.
I bust my nut. Tall enough, obviously. And I close the tab and then the post nut clarity hits me. I'm like, fuck. What did I just do?
You busted to your friend. That's what you did.
I busted to my friend.
How can you even
when I
look
can
in the
literally just go see him in real life and bust on him? Why would I do that?
Hey guys, we're gonna act like I just came here and you guys are gonna like go screaming, okay? Don't put that in there.
We're putting it in.
Yo, that's in there.
Oh my god! Wait.
Our bad.
Yo, Marcus is still.
Oh my god, it's such.
That's my car!
No.
Alright, redo it.
Oh.
Redo it.
Redo.
What's the deal with airline food?
God damn
What was the joke?
I don't understand.
it. Everyone just go quiet.
Alright, where are my glasses?
So I have kids, right?
Hey!
I was chilling, right? In my house, like someone usually would do. So I'm in the bathroom and I'm like using the bathroom. And I'm like, yo.
I hear that.
So I have kids, right?
Yeah, nah, I'ma hit this drink up. Like it's my last. I'ma hit this night up like it's my last. Like it's my last.
The new Off-White.
The new Off-White?
Okay.
He's like what? 4,000?
4K.